To begin, using a simple body tool and a 10mm socket, remove the factory fender liner. Next, using the same body tool, remove the block in the lower part of the wheel well and the clips that hold the wiring harness in place. Using a pair of pliers and a hammer, bend the tab located on the lowest part of the fender well for clearance of the fender liner. If you're using the optional backing plate, this is a good time to install them on the front fender liner section. Now, using the supplied hardware and nut plate, install the rear fender liner section and push into place. Leave the hardware loose at this time. Now, loosen the bolt on top of the body mount and install the horseshoe nut plate. Push the DRL wiring harness up out of the way and install the front fender liner underneath the head of the bolt that holds the rear fender liner in place, and attach the front with supplied hardware. Now push the fender liner into place and, using a marker, mark the 3 holes. Now, remove the front portion of the fender liner and center punch all 3 holes. Pilot drill the marked holes and open up to 25/64. Using a nutsert tool, install the supplied nutserts. Reinstall the front portion of the fender liner using the supplied hardware. Leave the hardware loose at this time until the installation is complete. Now that everything's installed, ensure that no wiring is pinched or nothing is binding, and begin tightening each area until the installation is complete. If you have questions or would like to purchase any of these products, visit us at AmericanTrailProducts.com.